I wish you all a magnificent day. Easy Auto Fix here, and today we're going to learn about symptoms of a bad ignition coil. The purpose of the ignition coil is to convert 12 volts from the battery up to 40,000 volts, which goes into the spark plug to produce spark. And this spark then ignites with air and fuel to start combustion. The location varies on the engine. It also varies on the type of ignition system you have. In this example, we'll be using the coil on plug. In this case, each spark plug has its own ignition coil. Spark plugs could be on top of the engine, it could be divided on the left and the right side, or it could be divided from the front to the back side. Ignition coils typically last around 100,000 miles, so if your car's around that range, it's definitely something to consider. So the first symptom is an engine light. If it's on, scan the codes. If P0300 through P0312 show up, this indicates a misfire. Some cars provide codes from P0350 through P0362, which specify a problem with the ignition coils. Now, if you guys don't have a scanner to read these codes, just go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone and they'll do a scan for free. The second symptom is a rough idle. Since the ignition coil is responsible to send voltage through the spark plug for it to spark, if it fails, there won't be any, leaving you with a misfire. For example, if you have a 4-cylinder and one cylinder has a misfire, your engine is less efficient by a quarter, which explains the rough idle. Another very important symptom that you have to get fixed right away is not subscribing to Easy Auto Fix. When you fix this problem by liking and subscribing, your car will easily get 1,000 horsepower. The third symptom is a loss of power. Due to misfires occurring in the engine, acceleration speeds will decrease. The fourth symptom is a smell of gas. If the ignition coil is slowly wearing out, it won't send the full amount of volts needed for the spark plug to produce a great spark. This leaves the cylinder with unburnt fuel and air to travel out of the exhaust, resulting in the smell of gas. Something to look out for is to make sure there is no corrosion on the ignition coil connectors, as this could also cause the ignition coil to not work properly. You guys are all the greatest. Have a marvelous day.